Welcome everyone for a new video. Guys, in today's video, as you can see, I'm holding here my bananas and sweet potatoes, guys. I want to show you how our old age people, our ancestors, how they used to cook this food. You see how our ancestors, all the people used to cook this food. So I will have to put the salt on these bananas, and the other I will have to spread on my hands to prevent them from sticking on my hands. Remember, when you peel the bananas, you always get those sticky on your hands. So to prevent it, you just use salt, guys. So let's go to the point, guys. I was telling you our old people, egged people, used to cook different. Their cooking style was just different, guys. You just have to get water and salt alone. But nowadays, how people cook this food is just different. Many go and buy onions, look for tomatoes, look for spices, and many things. But in those days, our old egged people used to cook different without no spices. So stay tuned, guys, as I peel these bananas and sweet potatoes. Is when you are going to see how they cooked this food. Remember, guys, to like this video, share this video, subscribe if you are new, share, and don't forget to show love by super thanks, by buying super thanks, guys. You will be supporting Flora's channel, and we will have to grow together. So I am almost done by peeling these, guys. These are potatoes. Guys, watch the video up to the end so that you learn what I'm going to show you. And the ending is just mwah. So watch up to the end. After peeling these sweet potatoes and bananas, guys, I'll have to wash before boiling them. done peeling them. After that, I have to put it on my pan. Then I have to boil. Remember, we are just using water and salt alone. So there, my bananas and sweet potatoes are ready. After that, I'll have to add salt. Then I'll have to cover it again a little. Then I'll see if the water is gone. I'll have to start smashing these potatoes and bananas. This is how old egged people used to cook this recipe. It is like mokimo, but you just smash them. No onions, no tomatoes, no roiko, no anything called spices. No, no, no. Just salt and water. You just made your delicious recipe. So they were no plates those days, guys. See what our old egged people used to use to serve their food on it. Let's see it. Let's see it, guys. They were not using plate because there were no plate yet. There were no plates. So it was so good on those days. Those days was just good. So this is what they used to serve on their food. They used like banana leaves. This was interesting, guys. It was just interesting. I don't know nowadays if you can serve on this sweet banana leaves food. If you can give a kid to eat, she or he will refuse. I'm telling you. Mm-mm. So yummy, so yummy. Mm. This is so yummy, guys. And this is how they used to serve. I love it. Mm. This is how old people used to eat and cook. There were no plates. Mm? Mm? They used to serve with banana leaves. Mm-hmm. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to leave a very nice comment, like, share the video to your everyone, and wait for the next video to come. Bye.